Here for the first time or first time? Welcome.
Listen.
I'm drinking some orange juice. Boo, boo, boo. Boo.
Stecco.
Where was
Hey, I'm an SR boss. I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know before me jump tonight, may I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know what for big up Father God. Thank God so we have life. That's the only reason we can do that video here. And also listen to that video here. Alright my people, so you don't see what going on the screen right now. That video here hot. Hot my people. Groundbreaking moment for Valiant in her music career, and also a groundbreaking moment for dancehall itself. Alright, so you don't see what going. Valiant is in Guyana and he met with Miss Wakanda Forever herself, Miss Letitia, right? Big up yourself, mama. And big up yourself, Valiant, as well. Some people, you don't see what going on, we're gonna make you see that video there, wanna check it out and make me know wanna think, wanna see what going on, the G there in a Guyana. Love, based on what I say, the G love waterworks, cause when them there came and were there, him go jet skiing and a bag of things, and then they in a Guyana, and then you don't see some fast boat type of thing them are going on with my people. So I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna check out that video here with Valiant and Letitia Wright, Miss Wakanda Forever herself. Stay tuned.
Here for the first time or first time? Welcome home. I was just in Jamaica as well. Yeah, I love Jamaica. You going back? Yeah, I was just there. I was in Mobay, Kingston. Yeah, I was there. I was gonna try coffee, but next time. God bless you. Have a good time in Guyana. Yeah. Wait, I said Jamaica, but bless you. God bless. Bless you. Bye guys. Have a good time, right?
Yeah, man, big up.
Alright my people, so the team out, and Valiant also went live and he did this for Craft, Chronicler and Pablo YG.
Big up Craft, big up Baker, Chronicler. You know his style already. Pablo.
Yeah my people, you can see what go on. It's definitely a good look. It's a great look. You understand? Valiant fresh out, and since him out he has met with some major stars from then to now, and you can only imagine it's going to get greater. You understand? It is only going to get greater. So big up yourself, Valiant. And he might go back in a Cayman next month. He have a next show in a Cayman next month, and him also have a next show in a Guyana next month. So him still have some time between Cayman and Guyana, and he also has a show in Canada next month. And you don't know, Jamaican Chat will be bringing you all those shows. And speaking about shows, he's currently in Guyana. I'm not sure if y'all got to see the show that he was on. The name of the show was Cut All Losses. So you don't see them name the show after Valiant himself. You understand? So anybody will never get to see the performance, I'm going to drop the snippets that I have of the performance. So I'm gonna check it out, make me know how to feel. And you don't know everybody, before me jump off, may I beg you like, share, subscribe on the content here. It does a lot for the content, and it does a lot for the channel itself. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
We're not even going to talk too much. Make an interesting fight here. Hold on. You know what's that? God's time. Behave yourself. Don't spot this. Make some noise, somebody. How many to make some noise? Introducing everyone. Who are you to say, Father? Watch out on the spot of fun, Gaza fun. Oh, what I do? Run it, tell me them, my father. Run it, my father. Who asked you can't father a kind of? Who asked you can't father a kind of? Make your pass. Make your pass. Make your pass. Make your pass. Who can't father a kind of? Anybody see? Yeah. Where you at them there? What is the go? We have a family yard, we're gonna try to it's gonna be early morning. Father. Ready and get my father? Yeah. All right. From back of the class. Yeah, no. Stunts. From off of the streets. Give me a piece of TV ready. Bum shake now, come to make the skull upset. No, I don't say. Back on the class, man, I'm so check. England girl in all the people are rough sex. She pop the Malia, but she not drunk yet. She be brown now and make she get upset. Guyana! You want money and the subject. You want money and the subject. But that, you know, love fraud. Sing it! You know, right? PDFs already. You want belly, can't hold one belly. Right chicken and you know. Give me this thing, my father. Bum shaking, I come to make the skull upset. No, I don't say. Back of the class, man, I'm a subject. England girl in all the big man rough sex. So back to Malian, but you don't drunk it. Talk off with my father.